Hi guys, my name is Nicolette Mashile, also known as The Financial Bunny. Welcome to The Financial Bunny TV. I hope that you guys are finally taking a much needed break. It is the festive season, but remember, do make sure that you are budgeting, you're sticking to the budget. Remember that the salary you're going to get in December, it might even be early, has to cover you for December plus January up until the next payday, which for most people starts from the 20th going up. So that's quite a long time. So make sure that you are planning for that income. However, I also want to help you plant some seeds so that you can have a prosperous 2023. Now, before I can even carry on, do remember, none of my videos constitute as financial advice. If you are, however, looking for financial advice, please do speak to somebody who is certified and registered with the FSCA. So we started the conversation around cryptocurrency. How do you actually make money from cryptocurrency? If you haven't had a chance to watch that video, go back and re-watch it again. Today, I want to talk about a platform that helps you buy, sell, store, and transfer your cryptocurrency safely. It is called the YellowCard platform. It's really one of my favorite because it's so easy. Guys, you know me, I am a sucker for simplicity. I don't want difficult things, right? I want things to really be easy. But maybe let me start here and say, who and what is YellowCard? Well, YellowCard is an exchange. It is a cryptocurrency exchange. So I want you to think about it this way because many of us know the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, right? The JSE. If you are looking to buy companies that are listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, you would need to actually buy and actually transact from the JSE for you to be able to become a shareholder. So you're not going to physically go to the company, to its headquarters, knock on the door and say, hello, I'm here to buy some shares. No, you would go to the Johannesburg Stock Exchange because that's where you can buy and sell your actual listed company shares, right? So look at it that way. YellowCard is basically a form of a stock exchange in the cryptocurrency space. So that's where you are going to be able to buy your likes of your Bitcoin, your likes of your USD Tether, right? So those are cryptocurrencies, digital assets that you are able to transact with, buying, selling, storing, transferring through this YellowCard stock exchange. Now, what do they have that makes it even more easier? They've got a mobile application that you can download from iOS. Of course, it is the App Store. And of course, if you're Android, it is Google Play, right? You go on there, you download the app. You will notice the app immediately. It is yellow. Their big colors are yellow and purple. So you'll immediately realize that this is the right app. If not, I'm going to show you the logo right now. Here it is. Yes, that is what the app looks like. You download the app and depending on where you are, so you got to choose where you are. Now, of course, they operate in America. They also operate on the African continent, right? I didn't even know that Africa was one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency markets in the world. In fact, South Africa has a substantial amount of people that actually hold cryptocurrency. Now that is quite amazing. In fact, I had come from the US Africa Leaders Summit and it was quite interesting. We're talking about, how big the African market actually is. And I think a lot of people underestimate it. But what was even interesting was that when we were watching the final between France and Argentina, if you look at the France squad, it is a majority of Africans. And it really rang true to one very important statistic that came out of the summit. And it was the fact that in the next couple of years, maybe 2030, 2050, 1 in 4 people in the world will be African or from African descent. That is insane, guys. That shows you how big Africa is. Anyway, so yeah, YellowCard is also operating on the African continent. So when you do download the app, the first thing you're going to have to choose is where you are, your locality. So of course, if you're in South Africa, you choose South Africa. Kenya, Nigeria, you choose Nigeria, right? Botswana, you choose Botswana, right? And then it will then ask you for FICA documentation. So basically, you will register your profile, right? And then you got to obviously send through FICA documentation. One of the biggest FICA questions they're going to ask you there is, of course, what is the source of your funds? Is it your salary, business proceeds? Is it an inheritance? Is it a donation? And then they're also going to ask you to verify yourself. So you're going to choose whether you're putting in an ID card or your ID booklet if you are verifying from South Africa. Then you've got to capture a smile off your face. This is just to create your profile, but also it's for security reasons, right? And then you've got to take a snap picture of your actual ID documentation. You send it through. The first verification tier is of 10,000 Rand that you can deposit onto the app and be able to start transacting your cryptocurrencies. Now remember, the two cryptocurrencies that you are able to buy from the YellowCard app is only Bitcoin and USD Tether. Again, that simplicity for me is absolutely crucial, right? Because if you are a novice cryptocurrency investor, this is a great way to start. You want to start off with, not being overwhelmed. It's like going to the buffet table and there's lamb, there's chicken, there's crocodile, there is boss meat. Is that a thing? Boss meat? Yeah, I went to an Afrikaans school. Definitely is a thing. Bush meat. I don't know what it's called. But too much meat, too much variety sometimes can get really confusing, right? So they've got the two. However, they are looking in the future to add more cryptocurrencies because we know that access also makes the cryptocurrency space a little bit more secure if we can have access to different types of cryptocurrencies, right? So once you have verified yourself, they will send you a message to say verification is all good. You also need to verify your email. So they'll send you an email to verify your communication line, which is obviously your email, right? Once you're done that, you get to a point where you can actually deposit funds so that you can start transacting on the crypto or on the exchange itself. So in South Africa, the one way in which you can do it is, of course, via EFT. So you will get the account number that you need to put in when you're doing your EFT. And then I think for many of us, our cell phone numbers become the reference number. I don't know, but for me, it was, of course, my cell phone number. And if you want to send me money and use my cell phone number as a reference, it's 079 219. Talk to me. I'll give you the last four numbers. All right. So then you deposit, right? I deposited, I think, on Friday and it cleared on a Monday. So it's actually quite quick, I think. I think if it was during business days or working days, it probably would have been overnight. I'm assuming that it happened over the weekend and it was literally Monday morning. I woke up and my money was cleared, right? So once you have now done that, now you can actually start transacting on the YellowCard exchange. It's quite simple. They've also got something called Earn, where you can earn some money if you are referring people to the YellowCard platform. So basically, you get a referral code. So if you go down on your app, you'll go to, I think it's at the bottom. It says Earn. Refer and earn, I think it says. And then you press on that and you can definitely earn a 20% commission from the amount of money that a person deposits if they use your referral code. Now, speaking about referral codes, I've obviously partnered with YellowCard and they have given me an awesome giveaway to make available to you guys. Really exciting. We are going to choose 5 lucky winners who are going to win 500 Rands worth of USD Tether. Now, if you don't know what the USD Tether is, the USD Tether is a cryptocurrency. It's a digital coin that is pegged against the United States dollar. So basically, it holds the value of the United States dollar based on the currency exchange, right? But of course, it's a cryptocurrency coin. So that's quite interesting because if you've ever had any ambitions to invest in that currency, this is a great opportunity to be able to do it. But what's even greater about it is that because it is a digital coin, it then holds the value of how much you have actually bought it at. That's actually quite an interesting one that I literally was like, if I'm ever going to invest, I did do Bitcoin at some point. I invested in Bitcoin of another exchange, and I panicked at some point when Bitcoin was going through its motions, and I was like, listen, I'm leaving because I don't even understand what this is. I just want my money and I want to leave. But now this specific USD Tether has really piqued my interest again. And it's more so that I'm even more interested in finding out how this whole world of cryptocurrency works. And that's the other great thing about the YellowCard app. They have what is called their YellowCard Academy. So if you go on their website and you go onto the academy, it will literally give you free resources to start understanding the world of cryptocurrency and actually start your journey. But going back to the giveaway, so 5 lucky winners, 500 Rands worth of USD Tether. that you can win. All you've got to do is one, you've got to sign up. So download the app, sign up, use my referral code, which is on the screen right now. Use the referral code, and then you're going to go to your social media channels. Then you've got to post it on your stories. You tag myself, Nicolette, and you also tag the guys at YellowCard. It's at YellowCard_app. So you tag Nicolette, it's at Nicolette Mashile. You tag at YellowCard_app, and then you post that you are now part of the YellowCard family, and you can stand a chance to really get a spring into your investing journey on the YellowCard app, buying cryptocurrencies. So why not try it out and let me know how it goes. I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah, 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 mwah.